Okay, how to turn on the X rocket, the whatever it's called, rocket. So first we're going to look for the button down here, make sure it's charged up, press that button. It'll beep and a light will come on, and then it is on. Now you step on and you can move with your center of mass. You can move all around, and it'll blink like that whenever you're not stable on that side. So that's how you do that. And there's a weight limit, which I am over the weight limit. I keep falling because it's hard to hold the camera while you do it. My next video is going to be reviewed on the Razor and then the skateboard. And then there's two electric scooters over there. So, yep, so that's the rocket. It's a hoverboard. It doesn't hover, but it's called a hoverboard for some reason. Even though it doesn't hover, it's more like a two-wheeled personal transport. Even though it's more like a toy than. They try to market it as some type of personal, like a vehicle, but it's far from that.